Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice question, that is square root of x plus x over 2 that is equal to 3. So now we have to find the value of x here. So starting our solution, that square root of x is equal to, if we just shift this one to our right hand side, then we get 3 minus x over 2. It is our first step. We have just shifted this x over 2 to our right hand side. Now if we take square on both hand sides, so taking square on both sides, then we have that squaring on both sides. So here it will be square root of x whole squared, that is equal to 3 minus x over 2 whole squared. Here we have square root of x, that is 2 is cancelled out with square root. X is equal to, here we use exponential formula, that is algebraic formula, which is a minus b whole squared, which is equal to a squared, and here it is plus b squared and minus 2 times a times b. So here it will be 3 squared plus x over 2 whole squared and minus 2 times x is 3, a is 3 and b is x over 2. So now if we cancel 2 with 2, we have 3 times x. So x is equal to 3 squared is equal to 9, and plus x square divided by 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 squared is equal to 4 and minus 3 times x. Now here if we just write multiplying by 4, so on both hand side with each term here, so we get here 4 times x, that is equal to 4 times 9 and plus 4 times x squared divided by 4 and minus 4 times 3 times x. So we have just multiplied 4 on both hand side. Now it will be 4 times x, and here 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Cancelling 4 with 4, we get plus x squared, and here we get minus 12x. So now if we write that 4x, this minus 12x to our left hand side, we get plus 12x, that is equal to x squared plus 36. So now 4x plus 12x, we get 16x, and here it is shifting this one, we get minus x squared and minus 36 is equal to 0. So by rearranging, we get x squared plus 16x minus 36 is equal to 0. So if we multiply minus 1 on both hand side, so multiplying by minus 1 on both sides, then we get, here we have x squared, minus time minus is plus, here minus 16x, and it will be plus 36. So just changing the symbol here, which is equal to 0. So now it is nice quadratic equation, so we have to solve this by using quadratic formula, as we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Here we have value of a, b and c is actually, it is value of a, that is equal to coefficient of x squared, which is 1, and value of b, that is coefficient of x, which is minus 16, and value of c is 36. So now our next step will be now putting these values in our formula, that is x is equal to minus time b is minus 16 plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 16 whole squared, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 36 all over 2 times a is 1. So now multiplying this minus into minus, we get plus. So x is equal to plus 16 plus minus square root of, that is minus 16 squared, which is equal to 256. Minus will be positive, here it will be plus because that exponent is even. So now minus 4 times 36, we just write like this, and all over 2 times 1 is 2. So our next step will be here x is equal to 16 plus minus square root of, here if we take 4 is common, so we have 4. When we divide it to 56 by 4, then we get, here it will be 64 and minus it is 36. So all over 2. Now x is equal to 16 plus minus, here we have square root of 4 times 64 minus 36, here we get 28 all over 2. Now our next step will be x is equal to 16 plus minus, we just write this one, that 4 times 28 is 7 times 4 all over square root, whole square root all over 2. Now here x is equal to 16 plus minus, so if we write separately these three terms under square root, we get 4 square root of 4, and here square root of 4 times square root of 7 all over 2. Now x is equal to, here we just write 16 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 7 all over 2. Now x is equal to, if we take 2 is common, so we get 8 plus minus 2 times square root of 7 all over 2, cancelling this 2 with 2. So our final step will be x is equal to 8 plus minus 2 times square root of 7. So it is our final answer that we get two values of x here, which is, first one is x1, that is 8 plus 2 times square root of 7, and other value is x2, that is 8 minus 2 times square root of 7. So it is our final answer. We just find out the value of x here. So it is our entire solution. We are going to just check all these steps that we have done. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.